Vegas, baby. We're going to be jumping trophy trucks today. It's the end of the LongTail rally here in beautiful Las Vegas. These wonderful gentlemen with me here. But what are we going to do?
Try not to break anything.
We're going to track the cars. We've got WRXs out in the dirt. We've got the off-road trucks that are jumping 15 feet in the air. It's going to be an amazing day. The perfect way to end out LongTail rally with our new family.
So we about to go to SpeedVegas. We're about to turn up. My energy levels are like 100, baby, because I don't go down, right? This is what we're about to do. We're about to go crazy. We're about to spin these cars. Now we're jumping cars. Ooh, sand.
Oh, be screaming down the straights. Wah, wah. Standing on the brakes. We're gonna rip that corner. We're doing it live, baby.
My name is Cole. We're at SpeedVegas. We're at LongTail Rally, and we've got a whole bunch of fun going out. People are driving their personal cars on the track. GT40s, the McLarens, everything like that. It's a 1.5 mile track. Features a half-mile straight, letting all the participants have some fun, getting on the track, driving to the limits, and you know, seeing what they can do.
About to track this Mustang finally.
We'll see who comes up on top, but it should be a fun ride. We're tearing up some laps right now at SpeedVegas, having an absolute blast. We're killing it.
We out.
Funnest thing so far. Love it.
That was awesome. We were flying through the air. Soaring.
Woo!